Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto money. So free play to earn games have become more popular as the crypto world has evolved. And in order to encourage adults to play games, this innovative free play to earn gaming approach compensates participants with digital cash. So today, we'll be going over 8 amazing free play to earn crypto games and how to make money with them. Let's get started. Black Eye Galaxy, a free play to earn game to make money where NFTs are used to simulate planets and spacecraft in Black Eye Galaxy. Gamers can travel to other worlds and gather materials from their surface. You'll be able to put your fighting talents to the test, as well as explore the virtual environment. In the virtual reality realm, it is possible to establish civilizations, charge taxes, also recolonize planets. Gaming mechanics may even be used to promote a local economy by allowing you to generate your own currency. Players will be able to express their own dictatorship and reign with an iron fist in this game. And the game's NFTs include spacecraft and planets, allowing players to go into the vast unknown. The last frontier may be explored and planets' resources can be mined. Coin Hunt World. As a crypto-based game, Coin Hunt World takes components from a variety of famous online games and blends them together. Coin Hunt World, like Pokemon Go, invites users to get out and experience the world. Rather than pursuing new Pokemon, users may use the game's location-based features to get Bitcoins. There are a number of trading apps that allow you to use the cryptocurrency you uncover in Coin Hunt World in exchange for real money. To get started, you only have to install on your smartphone and begin searching for riches on the app. You can play games, meet people, and make Bitcoin while you're searching. There are several places where you can even get NFTs. To open vaults, players must find keys. Keys can be found by venturing out into the actual world. Trivia questions will appear whenever a new vault is located. If the user properly answers all of the questions within the time restriction, they will receive a prize. Bitcoin and Ethereum are presently awarded to players, in addition to crafting materials and avatar skins. NFT versions of QB blueprints will be released soon, and the map depicts particular locations and items throughout the world. All you need to do is get in and begin hunting. Crypto Royale. There is no upfront cost required to play Crypto Royale, a free play to earn game. It's a browser-based game where participants compete to earn crypto. With Crypto Royale, players may participate in a virtual arena where they can win a variety of digital assets, including crypto. A user's character is shown as a variety of colored moons in the game: blue, pink, or yellow. Users of Crypto Royale are rewarded with the ROY token, a HRC20 native crypto. ROY is fought for by more than 1,000 players every day. Players must be the last man or woman remaining on the battlefield in order to receive their prize. The 3 crescent moons can indicate a player's personality: blue, pink, or yellow, but the colors may be mixed and matched by gathering boxes among the battlefield. Using them to get an advantage over your opponent is essential if you want to win the game. Each player has the ability to develop their own unique style, which may become a player's trademark. Regardless of the tactics employed by either the player or the opponent, it's always an outside factor exerting pressure on the game. While venturing out in the dark might lead to a decrease in your health, it's the outside treasures that usually supply the weaponry needed to win. Timing and location are critical to a player's ability. Gods Unchained. To earn money playing free online games, Gods Unchained is a popular choice. Play this digital card trading game for free and you'll get virtual cash. With $15 million from a Series A investment round and the sale of millions of Mystic cards, this game was officially unveiled in 2018. Gods, GODS, is the native currency of the game and serves as a means of payment throughout the whole experience. Rare cards can be exchanged for the Gods coin, which is used to acquire fiat currency. This strategy gives gamers a greater motivation to participate since they have complete control over the assets they build up through time. The game's popularity is on the rise as more people join and more money is made each month. Tournaments and ranking events organized by the game's developers have done a fantastic job of getting the word out about the game, and having the game on a smartphone will allow them to reach a larger audience throughout the world. The NFTs for Gods Unchained are minted on Ethereum Layer 2, but free online games like Gods Unchained may be a terrific way to generate money and trade cards, and this game does just that. World Wide Web. One of the most prominent NFT projects that is the free-to-play is World Wide Web. Avatars, pets, lands, objects, and missions are all created via NFTs, and innovators are churning out new products and services. Token holders of NFT tokens can own land in the World Wide Web network. Events, characters, and games can be held in these virtual spaces. Custom smart contracts, art sales, and the inclusion of smart contracts are all possible with the use of a quest builder. The most important feature of World Wide Web is the capability to use OpenSea avatars and profile images. Avatars in the game include characters from the CryptoPunk, Kaiju, and Cyberkong franchises, and etc. Players may earn prizes by playing arcade games found within the game. Competitions and big gifts abound throughout the game. It's just a matter of time until users start looking for new methods to make money from the game as it continues to expand. 9 Chronicles. When playing the free-to-play 9 Chronicles, players may mine the NCG coin, the game's in-game currency. 4 types of avatars are available for players to select from. Weapons, armor, and food will be provided for the player's convenience. After that, they're ready to take on the world. Idle is a term used to describe a game in which the player has no say in what happens to their character. Many people play 9 Chronicles, which includes RPG progression. In 9 Chronicles, all of the gameplay choices are determined during the pre-production period. Players can trade and make items for their characters during this time. After the avatar embarks on his journey, the player is unable to do nothing but sit and watch and wait. After defeat or exhaustion, the character might continue their journey. Those that play 9 Chronicles may earn the game's cryptocurrency, 9 Chronicles Gold or NCG. And by completing tasks, selling in-game things, or engaging in real-world or virtual events, NCG can be earned. The SANDBOX. Blockchain, DeFi, and NFTs are all used in the SANDBOX, a play-to-earn video game that creates a 3D metaverse. In the virtual environment, for free, gamers may design and build their unique video games and digital products with free design software. The blockchain-based game can be compared to Minecraft, and the virtual things you make with NFTs may subsequently be monetized and sold upon that SANDBOX marketplace using SAND tokens, the game's native cryptocurrency. Throughout the game, SAND, or S-A-N-D, is the primary medium of exchange. Competitions or games or events in the SANDBOX can win you SAND, or you can purchase it through cryptocurrency exchanges, but you have to create an avatar in the SANDBOX before you can access any of the many games, environments, or hubs. The SANDBOX was initially designed to rival Minecraft on mobile devices. It was a major hit, with over 40 million downloads worldwide. Using NFTs, they want anybody able to create their own NFTs and get incentives for engaging in the network. In 2020, the SANDBOX project was established and quickly turned into a popular crypto game, rivaling Axie Infinity, also Decentraland, in terms of popularity. Upwards of 50 collaborators, including Atari, the artist Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, CryptoKitties, all participated in the game. Space Misfits. Another great free-to-play-to-earn game is Space Misfits, which takes place in a 3D space environment. Real-world materials can be mined, hunted, and collected by players. It is up to the player to decide how much influence they wish to have on the game's economic system. Space pirates, merchants, and miners are all options on the table for them to consider. Players in this game are free to roam the cosmos, gather resources, construct starships, and engage in combat with their fellow players. There are 2 types of in-game currency in Space Misfits. You may acquire the SMCW coin through participating in tournaments and events, staking, and collecting NPC drops. If you're planning on spending long hours on this platform, you should consider SMCW. As a result of their possession of the token, they have the power to direct the platform's content. For this reason, they will become more valuable than bits in the long run. Second token, bits, is used to acquire the game's assets, minerals, NFTs, or to pay game fees. Participation in the game is required to earn and collect it, like daily missions and completing tasks. But due to the fact that the game is still in beta, the Space Misfits coins will be accessible for purchase on DEXs. So I would say to take advantage of free online games that pay you to play. Many online games pay real money to play, as you can see. These online games provide virtual cash. but you'll need to invest some time devising a plan and understanding the mechanics of the games in order to get the most out of your time with them. Hope you were able to learn something from this video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you can. Take care!